Hey guys, so I'm about to show you guys how to butterfly, aka spatchcock, a whole chicken. And I'm also going to show you how to roast said chicken. So let's get started. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm about to butterfly, aka spatchcock, this chicken. I'm using a cleaver because I can't find my kitchen shears. So we're gonna make this work. I've never done this with the cleaver. Let's pray I don't cut myself. And yeah, don't judge me. As you can see here in the chicken, it has a backbone. You're gonna cut with your shear or your cleaver or your knife down both sides of the backbone, either sides, as you see where my fingers are at. And on each side, you're just gonna cut it and remove the backbone. So here we go, y'all. Child, I was standing there sweating bullets because number one, I didn't want to make a mistake and cut directly all the way through the chicken. Like, this cleaver is very sharp. But I got it through one side, as you can see here. And I'm about to show you guys before I cut the other side. So as you can see here, it's not directly down the middle of the chicken. It's on the left side of the backbone. So, you know, and now we're going to go down the right side of the backbone. Again, strong kitchen shears is way easier than using a cleaver. Look at that thing. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. But let me get back in character here. Yeah, so this is the backbone. You want to remove it just like this. Do not get rid of this. We're going to make gravy with that. Don't forget to follow me on social media, Snapchat, Instagram, everything's Misha's Corner. You want to flip your bird back over because now we're going to break the breastbone, which is pretty easy and simple. Just, you know, apply a little pressure to it and break it, which is going to make your chicken even, like, you know, more flat. Look at me, just fondling around. Yep, and just like that, it's broke. And that's it. Alright, so this is a oxtail marinade, but as you can see down here, it says that it's great for oxtail, beef, pork, chicken, and fish. So don't be intimidated. Alright, here's my chicken washed and dried. Over here, I have some brown sugar and some salt. You don't need a lot of salt with this marinade. This marinade has salt. Yeah, I'm just gonna shake. The brown sugar is gonna counteract the heat. It won't be so hot. And you want to just season. We're going to do the back side first. Alright, so now you're going to take the marinade. It's not rocket science. And you just pour it a couple tablespoons per side. You want to mix this in, flip it over, and then we're going to do the other side. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I even poured some of the marinade underneath the skin. It is now 10:03 and I'm not going to be cooking till 5. So it's going to be marinating about 7 hours. But, of course, it's way better overnight. Ooh, y'all, look at this chicken.